If you're interested in providing audio or video content to your students, and you would like for them to be able to watch or listen to that content on a device such as an iPod or an iPad without needing to be inside of Niihka, one option that you have is to utilize the podcast tool. If you go into Site Info and access Edit Tools, you can scroll down and click on the checkbox next to Podcasts. Once you've done that, you can click Continue. And this is the confirmation screen, so I'm going to click Finish. And what you'll notice now after the Site Info page reloads is on the left side we have another tool called Podcasts. And if you click on that, you can see that currently there are no podcasts available. But you can click the Add button at the top, which will allow you to upload an audio or video file that you already have created into this tool. The benefit of using the podcast tool is it provides you with a link here that students can copy and paste into a podcast aggregator such as iTunes, so that whenever a new podcast is uploaded to this tool, iTunes will automatically update and download that media for them, and they can then transfer it onto their iPod and listen to the material on the go. So to add a podcast, you're going to click on the Add button at the top. You can choose a file from your computer. You can also choose a publish date and time. This allows you to upload media days or even weeks before you actually want your students to have access to it. Then provide it with a title and a description and click Add. Once that's done, the podcast tool will refresh and the new media will be listed below. Students will then have the ability from within Niihka to listen to the audio or video files, but also access this podcast list from something such as iTunes.